Hey growers, welcome back to Grower Today. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to care for your Lucky Bamboo plant. Lucky Bamboo is a low-maintenance plant that adds a fresh, tropical feel to any space. We'll cover all the essentials for keeping it healthy and thriving. Let's get started. Lucky Bamboo thrives in indirect sunlight. Place it in a bright room, but avoid direct sunlight as this can scorch its leaves. A spot near a window with filtered light works best. Lucky Bamboo is typically grown in water, so it's important to keep the water clean and fresh. Change the water every 1 to 2 weeks and make sure the roots are fully submerged. If you're growing it in soil, water it enough to keep the soil moist but not soggy. Tip: use filtered or distilled water to avoid chlorine, which can damage the plant. Lucky Bamboo loves warm, humid environments. Keep it in a room with temperatures between 65 degrees and 90 degrees. Avoid placing it near air vents, drafts, or cold windows, as extreme temperatures can harm the plant. Lucky Bamboo doesn't need much fertilizing. If you want to promote growth, you can use a diluted liquid fertilizer every couple of months, but avoid over-fertilizing, as this can cause yellowing leaves. If you notice yellow leaves, it could be due to too much sunlight or fluoride in tap water. Switch to distilled water and reduce direct sun exposure. For brown tips, increase humidity by misting the leaves or placing the plant near a humidifier. Caring for Lucky Bamboo is easy with the right setup. Keep it in indirect light, change the water regularly, and your plant will thrive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gardening tips and plant care advice. Grower Today.